Hey there, Mr. Wilford here. I just wanted to go through Chapter 7, Section 3 with you, talking about triangle similarity. And we have a few postulates that we're going to take a look at here and talk about triangle similarity. If you remember, in the last couple sections, we started talking about ratios and proportions, and then we got into similar polynomials and kind of what that is. And what we're really going to take a look at now is kind of narrowing it down and just talking about triangle similarities. We want to take a look at some of these postulates as we go through this section. One postulate here is the angle-angle similarity postulate, postulate 731. And here it says if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So you can see here that we have two different triangles, and basically what you need to look at here is that we have two angles that are congruent in two different triangles. So for example, they may not be the same size again, remember that, but they will be similar. So angle A and angle D are congruent. Angle B and E are congruent. They're the same angles for each AD and BE. And so what we say then is that we have similar triangles here. If you take a look at this first example, it says explain why the triangles are similar and write a similarity statement. Because we're looking at PT and SR, those are parallel lines, and angle P and angle R and TS are congruent, then we can, by the alternate interior angle theorem, therefore we can say that these two triangles are similar because of the angle-angle similarity postulate. Okay, so basically we have, using the alternate interior angles, we have parallel lines here and here, and we have a line that goes through those parallel lines. That means we have alternate interior angles. Angle P and angle R are congruent, and then also we have another line going through two parallel lines, so alternate interior. Angle T and angle S are also congruent. So right there we can stop and say we have similar triangles. Another similarity theorem here is a side-side-side, SSS similarity theorem. And here it says if three sides of one triangle are proportional to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So here we're just looking at the sides. And if corresponding sides are proportional, then we have a similar triangle there as well. Here's another one, angle side angle. And it says if two sides of one triangle are proportional to two sides of another triangle and their included angles are congruent. Remember that included angles are included between the two sides. So angle B and angle E are between the two sides here, the corresponding sides. Then the triangles are going to be similar. So again, we have an example here where we can take a look at a couple of triangles and prove that they're similar by the three sides and by side angle side. Here's another example why triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBE, and then we have to find BE. So you can take a look through this example as well. They just go through and they use the alternate interior angle theorem again, and they use the angle-angle postulate. And then they use the idea of proportions here again, setting up a proportion to solve for side BE. Continuing on, here's another example. This is writing proofs of similar triangles. Make sure you take a look at this as well. And an application problem. And then some properties of similarities. So you can kind of look through here. It's just different properties. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.